Good morning guys! Welcome to Kabanglasan. Guys, ang Kabanglasan is a third-class municipality in the province of Bukidnon, Philippines. Ang Kabanglasan ay pinangalan mula sa isang kahoy na tinatawag na banglas. Ang banglas tree ay isang endemic tree species at ito'y tumutubo sa isang lugar ng Pulangi. Ang banglas guys ay isang uri ng hardwood na tumutubo sa mabatong lugar ng Bubunawan riverbanks. Kabanglasan literally means a place that has plenty of banglas. Ang Kabanglasan guys is rich in corn production kaya mayroon silang isang ginagawang landmark na tinatawag na Giant Ear of Corn na makita natin dito sa taas ng bundok sa Kabanglasan. Yan guys, ang Giant Ear of Corn. Yan ang Giant Ear of Corn na makikita natin dito sa taas ng bundok, dito sa Kabanglasan. Kabanglasan has a total area of 24,330 hectares of land. 38% of the land is alienable and disposable land, while the 62% is a timber land. Kabanglasan is politically subdivided into 15 barangays. Five of the barangays are situated within the timberland, and 5 of the barangays are located within the alienable and disposable land, whereas the 5 barangays are located both within the timberland and the alienable disposable land. Yan guys ay ang mga corn plantation na makikita natin sa Kabanglasan. Kabanglasan is known for a major corn production area. It has an estimated 7,108 hectares of land for yellow corn and 274 hectares of land for white corn. There are around 5,000 corn farmers in Kabanglasan. Thank you for watching guys.